Hi, I'm Natalia from MEFERI, and today I'll show you our Android POS solution, a powerful setup that replaces the traditional cashier workstation without needing a PC. I'll take a few products and head to the POS zone. Let's scan some items. They appear instantly on the dual screen, both for cashier and customer. Solution powered by our ME65 with built-in scanner. It has Qualcomm QCM6490, Android 13, upgradable to 16, 5G, Wi-Fi 6 and large memory, 6 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM. All peripherals connect by our Multiinterface Dock with EdgeControl Technology, including scanners, screens, printers, cash drawers and more. It features USB, Ethernet, HDMI, and retail ports for full connectivity. It's a fully mobile solution. Just detach your ME65 to manage pricing, inventory, and receiving tasks anywhere in the store. You can deploy it in just 5 minutes, wherever it's needed. Sales floor, service point, or receiving zone. With dual in-display NFC, just tap a card or the phone, front or back, for secure contactless payment. The stand rotates 180 degrees and tilts 40 degrees. For better interaction, tap to pay. Receive prints instantly. Learn more about Android POS on MEFERI.com. See you in the next video. Bye!